Hey, capital growth traders. So I thought I'd just do a really quick video on just a really great example on support and resistance and how we can use it, right? So right now we've got a live situation here on BTC where we've actually channeled, we've broke out, we've come up into this resistance area and we've got rejected. And then once price comes down, we couldn't hold support, so we've come back down into this channel. So you can actually see that in this channel now, we could be playing around. And so we're bouncing off support and we're getting rejected from resistance. So I'll change that to red so it doesn't confuse you. This is also on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm just having a bit of play around on this. So what I would be looking for is something like this, right? So what we discussed was we don't short into support because see this candle, this is exactly why we don't short into support, because we could actually get stopped out. So what we want to do is we want to wait for this price to push through here and then retrace up into this area. And then we're going to be looking for the bearish engulfing candles, the wicks to the top side, the indecision doji candles, and potentially an evening star. But the main thing is the wicks to the top side and a bearish engulfing to show that sellers are pushing price down. So this is where we would get our short trading tool, and we would, wherever structure happens here, we would then take an entry. And our entry is this line here. And then we are shorting down to support, right? Because we can see there's a big push coming up this way. So we want to short into this area. We don't necessarily have to go right onto the support line, because this is where all traders are going to be taking profit. So for us to be a little bit smarter, we can go to about, just a little bit above. So we know our entry will potentially get hit. Now, if this does break to the top side, I'm not interested, because if we break here, it's not going to be much of a trade if we go to here. So we really want to see, if anything, price to come into here and then break that and then turn this resistance into a support. Because why? Now we've got this big trade up into here. Okay, so we'll take a long off here and we'll push up into this area. Give me a sec. Oops, what happened there? So something like that. So this is the play I would want to see, because we've actually broke through this resistance, and this is a support, but it's nothing special. So we'd want to see it to break through this resistance and turn this into a support and then push out into this area here. So this is a 4-to-1. So if every dollar we put on would make $4, and this here, we would, for every dollar we put on would make $2.53. Also, take in mind, this is on a smaller time frame, but our overall trend is down. So this could actually become a really big play here, where we could actually be where are we at? We could actually be trading this all the way down to the bottoms here, which is more likely, and this would be a 10-to-1, which would be a really, really nice trade. So break this support line, and then once this support line is turned into resistance, look for the bearish engulfings, the wicks to the top side, and then for that short. But will look like we are pushing up into this resistance, so we could just play around in this channel, but that's all I'd be waiting for right now. Hopefully this helps, and I'll see you on the next quick video.